10 inches nonstick frying pan. This nonstick frying pan is a cook's essential, has a wide flat bottom, nonstick surface and gently sloped sides. Count on it for everything from scrambling eggs and sautéing vegetables to searing meats, making pancakes and much more. Ultra nonstick. The nonstick cooking surface is coated 3 times and reinforced with diamonds to deliver the ultimate food release. No oil or butter needed, makes for healthier eating, and provides for hassle-free 1, 2, 3 cleanup. Healthy 100% non-toxic. The Gotham Steel coating is derived from minerals and reinforced with diamonds, making this frying pan free of PFOA, PFOS, lead cadmium for an eco-friendly, healthy experience. Metal utensil safe. The coating of the pan is infused with diamonds, the strongest material on earth, which makes it durable enough to withstand metal utensils, spatulas, spoons, whisks and even electric beaters while delivering years of outstanding, non-stick use. Even heat distribution. Aluminum composition ensures even heat distribution all around with no dead zones or hot spots. Effortless cleanup. Dishwasher safe. Spend less time with cleanup. After all the cooking and prepping is done, place cookware in the dishwasher for quick and easy cleanup. Stovetop oven safe. Compatible with all stovetops, gas, electric, glass, besides induction oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Stay cool handles. The stainless steel handles are ergonomically designed for both righty and lefties. The unique Y-shaped handles lets heat escape and keeps the handles cool to the touch. Top reviews from the United States. I am so grateful that I found this cookware. I purchased an entire set of Gotham copper cookware for over a year now. I spent a lot of time and effort researching what would be best. I wanted non-stick, but something that would really last. I compared with many other brands including the highest-end ceramic ware. A year later, all of my Gotham pots and pans are still just like new. I should share that I do live alone and I take good care of my cookware. In doing my initial research, I learned not to use spray oils on non-stick pans, the soy in them ruins the finish. Not to use metal utensils or cleaning scrubs, to avoid chipping scratching. Let the pots, pans cool down before putting them in the sink to soak or wash. I've been following these instructions and they really do keep everything perfect. Plus, I did have a stain form on the outside bottom of one of the pans that I couldn't get out with my regular scratchy sponge, so I took a risk and very lightly used an S.O.S. pad on it, and the stain came off but not the copper finish. I was relieved, surprised and delighted. I wouldn't use such a hard abrasive normally, but for a tough stain and being conscious of using it very delicately, it worked. Last, the copper color on the outside is absolutely beautiful. I love this cookware.